So siguro yung system nila, yung mabilis na galaw, madisiplina, and parang sa atin po kasi we are well-disciplined, pero iba yung disiplina nila dito na before practice, they mop the floor, lahat sila gumagalaw, they check the weight of the ball, yung hangin ng bola, ganyan, yung net, lahat talaga gumagalaw. During practice, they're well-focused, walang nagtatawanan, unlike sa atin, di ba, may mga nagtatawanan, ano, gano'n. Every after practice, yun, sabay-sabay sila maglilinis, magmamap ulit ng floor, ganyan. After ng practice, meron sila yung video cam. I-register mo yun sa iPad mo. Everyone is watching their, like, how they warm up, how they hit, how they receive, ganyan. Talagang the next day, makikita mo may maaga pupunta sa practice, mag-a-ask sa coach na, pwede po pa-service receive, parang ganyan. Kasi gusto nila i-improve pa yung receive nila, yung mga ganon. Wala pa tayo masyado nung, kumbaga meron, some of the teams I think meron na video cam, but not every player is watching their practice to improve, mga ganun po. Kumbaga, minsan di natin ginagamit yung meron tayo to improve for volleyball. So, actually, marami pa po. As in system-wise talaga, sobrang marami pa siguro tayong matututunan from other countries.